guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video guys, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can actually achieve a fresh and flawless and youthful looking, more especially for mature skin. It is also dedicated to my mom because she actually did compliment my makeup look the other day. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you guys wanted to find out how I can help you achieve a fresh and flawless and youthful looking makeup steps for mature skin, please keep on watching. For you to be able to achieve the flawless makeup look is to it's to prep your skin. I've actually used the Olay Regenerist Revitalising Cream Cleanser. Apply my serum, which is another one, which is the Olay Micro Sculpting Serum, Olay Eyes Pro-Retinol Eye Treatment. So that's just under my eyes. Wrist Day Cream. This has actually got an SPF 30. Lips, I actually used the Carmex. Primer, I actually did use the Becca First Light Priming Filter to help you to brighten and smoother your skin. So this has actually been one of my favorite primer. The foundation, I'm using the Loreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear shade Golden Beige. This is actually my most used foundation, guys. This has actually got a very lightweight formula, guys. A medium coverage for me, but it's actually giving my face a healthy glow. So I'm just applying this with a damp sponge, and I'm using the e.l.f. sponge. Okay, and then under my eyes I'll be using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer in the shade Light Beige. On my eyelid as a eye primer. So I use the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder to set under my eyes. I'm gonna set my brows as well. My foundation, I actually used the using the Australis Fresh and Flawless, and in the shade Darkest Brown. So I'm just pretty much using that sponge that comes with it. Favorite eyebrow product is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim in the shade Deep Brown. The Gerard Cosmetics Brow to Go, and this is in the shade Medium. So I'm just gonna be using this latter shade here, guys, which is this shade here. Just gonna fill it in. Okay, so to set my brows using the Essence Make Me Brow, and in the shade Brownie Brows. So this is just pretty much to help to set my brows so they actually last longer. Doing a little bit of bronzer on my face, and I'm using this bronzing MAC powder, and this is in the refined golden. So with this type of bronzer, guys, it's actually not a matte, it's got a little bit of sheen to it. So for me, I feel like every time I use this bronzer, so contributing to having a youthful look. So I'm be using the Sigma F10. Same bronzer using the Sigma E38, which is the diffuse crease, and I'm just gonna be warming up my eyelid, you know, so it actually balances everything out. Just pretty much to control a little bit of my nose. And I'll be using Nastasia Beverly Hills collaboration with Nicole Guerrero, shade here Forever Young. So I'm using the Sigma F35, which is the tapered highlighter brush. So it's just whatever highlighter brush that you guys have. Using my finger, I'm just going to be applying on that just on my mobile lid, just to help to open up my eyes. Be using that the same shade of highlighter just to highlight my inner corner. This is definitely going to open up your eyes, guys. I shall be using the e.l.f. blush palette, and the shade that I actually used was this shade here, guys, which is more like a light pink shade. Same brush that I applied the bronzer, which is the Sigma F10. Okay, went on the higher points first and working my way in, and just pretty much just whatever is left over above my nose. Blush is actually going to help to diffuse that highlighter. Using the Beige Cosmetics eyelash curler. This is actually one of the best eyelash curler I've ever used, guys, because I've got a very small lashes, and this one, it actually doesn't hurt my lashes. The mascara that I used was the Too Faced Better Than Sex. So I've also been loving this mascara actually. This mascara actually lengthens and voluminize my lashes. To show my favorite lip liner is from Rimmel, the long lasting lip liner. I can't really remember what shade it is. I don't know if it's the Spice. Can't remember, guys. So I'm just gonna line my lips. And I'm just gonna fill it in to help to make my lipstick last longer. The lip liner, I'll be applying the Maybelline Super Matte Ink in the shade 7th. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. have it, guys. So this is just a nice simple everyday look to give you a fresh, flawless and youthful looking, and it's just a very quick and easy makeup look for you know, for mature skin. So hopefully you guys like this video. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.